Let's go. Let's try and beat Five Nights
okay.
at Freddy's. Come on. We have to go inside of our first night shift. Do you know Five Nights at Freddy's? Do you know it? Okay, come. This is Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's go to our night shift. And boom, we're in the office. Okay, so yeah, we can open the door. Oh, close the door, close the door, close the door, close the door. No. He's coming in. He's watching out the door. I have auto kill on these things.
I said to close the door.
Alright, look at them. They're on the stage.
I see you.
No! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Alright, yeah, just stay right here, okay?
What? No! No!
We have to kill them!
We're trapped! We're trapped!
Are you sure? I have weapons that literally one-shot them. Oh! He's walking away. He's standing there. Don't you dare open the door. Look, they broke the window! Ah! He's walking away. He's trying to walk away. You're not letting him walk away. Well, we want nothing to do with
your own
you.
good. Baby girl, this is for my own good, okay, baby girl? Don't cry, baby girl.
Back to our night shift. Just like always. What the heck? Bro! Brother, you brought him into the office. What did you do? You brought him in. Yeah, bro. You know what? I'll get my OP items out. I'll kill him. Bye.
One shot? Okay, one
I know.
shot.
Is he out?
I see
Close the door.
Do you know what?
Oh, he's safe.
This thing's
Don't open another door.
Baby girl,
Don't
baby
open
girl,
it.
this is for my own good.
No, why'd I open it? Foxy, come here. No, why did you let me? Why are you? What? Go, hold on, few minutes.
He glitched in the office. He glitched in the office by some miracle.
He's not anymore. I brought that.
I'm going.
Come here, follow me.
Bro, why did you kill all of them?
This is our hideout.
Ooh, what's this?
That damages you.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. This is a hot tub.
No, go on, back. Come on. Rain around the rosy. Rain around the rosy. Rain around the rosy. Rain around the rosy. Rain around the
Why are you bringing him to me?
rain around
Help me! Help me! Help me!
I can't. Come here, follow me.
I'm locking in.
We have to go to the bathroom. Follow me.
Hey, yo, why do you want to go to the bathroom? Hey, yo, you're sus.
I'm just showing you the
I'm going to the
bathroom.
man's bathroom. I'm going to the man's bathroom.
No, come in there.
Oh, yeah. I'm not cheating on you.
I'm in the man's bath.
I'm just going to use the bathroom.
Okay.
Oh
Yeah.
my God. Oh, I finished. Oh. Wait, but I actually have to use the bathroom. Like in real life. I'm gonna add you. Add me on meta. Add me on meta, cause I have to
Nah.
use it.
Yeah? I have to go. Alright. Yep, that's the end. Goodbye.